Because I was sick and tired and sick of waiting on you to donate some of your titties, I hopped on this opportunity to try these double-sided sticky push-up bra pads from the brand Inbab. In today's video, we are going to see if they're gonna have these titties sitting up to my neck. That's the goal. So I'm gonna need you to stick around and find out. Hey boo, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. Girl, every time I went to my P.O. box, it was always full, but it never had the donation that I had been waiting on and asking for so long. I was tired of begging like Keith Sweat. So when this company by the name of Ad Lady reached out to me and said, honey, we got a product that will have you skipping the consultation appointment, I was intrigued and ready to get my hands on it. I'm going to do the unboxing here with you. I haven't actually looked at the product yet. I do want to mention that you're going to stick around all the way to the end because we're giving away some of these for the free. And while I know it's a lot of y'all big titties to watch me, I know it got to be somebody in the bushes that can use this product as well. All right, so the packaging is like so in a white box. And it comes in this in here plastic baggie with the drawstring. Now, how cute is that? I guess they sent them separately. Okay. So yes, here's the other. What I noticed that I can appreciate from the company just out looking and opening up the packaging is that they have the instructions included. How many times I be asking these companies to send me instructions on how to figure out some So when a company provides this, you gotta give them their flowers, honey. Girl, wait a minute. So there is a pair in one. So they've sent me two pairs then. So there's a pair in one packaging. What do you notice off rip? The chocolate tone. I was not expecting that. Now, I do remember on the website them having black and nude, but they rarely have the chocolates. Now, I ain't gonna lie. Touch it. Feel it, girl. It's low-key feeling like a damn implant, right? It's all smushy and soft, cushiony. Before we get into all the details on how to apply this, I'm gonna ask you to go ahead and thumbs up this video because I already know you're gonna like it. And if you're new here, well, hello, welcome. I really hope this is not gonna be your last time stopping by. And if you're coming back, girl, give me some. That's why it's with you. My measurements, the T on this wig, the information you may need to get your hands on this product, also to enter to win one. All of the tea will be pinned down in my comment section or found in my description box, boo. You already know I got you. I also want to mention that the company also sent me 2 shapewear pieces and I believe some nipple covers. So we're going to look for that. So just get comfortable. Get comfortable, honey. Because you know it's going to be a good time. All right, now, so according to the packaging, it says you're supposed to use these inserts with structured cups, thick material. So it sounds like they want you to use like a bra. I personally believe, and maybe I'm going to regret this, not following the damn instructions. Like, I'm finna try to come up with my own when they telling me what to do. But I believe that if my top has a lot of thick material like this clingy one, it's one of those tops that has like nylon and spandex. So it's real clingy, almost like shapewear type of style tops. I don't need a bra. And I'm hoping that I can wear this with certain tops without a bra just because I don't always want to put on a bra. My titties are a decent size where I don't have to wear a bra all the time. Now, I ain't gonna lie, they do be down to my stomach. But that's neither here nor there. It says do not use with thin materials or no support band cups. So basically, don't use it without a bra, honey. It then goes to show me that it's the indication of left and right, which I can appreciate because I've tried another company before and didn't know the left from the right. So I'm glad that they provided that. Then it goes into showing me how to use it. And of course it's showing me with the bra on, right? I really want to see Or should I go get a bra? Like, I just feel like this gives me enough support where I don't need the bra. Ooh. Hold on, girl. Hold on. I'm going to call you right back. Because, baby, did you just see that? Let me call you right back. Let me call you right back. When I come back, I hope that I look like I done spent a few $1,000s on getting them lifted to my neck. So, let's see. I don't know now. I don't know now. Is it me talking of the titty shot? So I went ahead and followed the instructions and put on the bra. Strapless bras, but I made sure that it wasn't the one that's like an extra push in it. But girl, see, what y'all not about to tell me is that I'm not standing here looking like Janet Jackson in the What It's Gonna Be video. Gonna make your body wet. Gonna make your body scream my name. Gonna make me think of all the things. And me on you. And you on me, what's this gonna be? I remember that video, right? When she was in that latex, titties was sitting right. Girl. And then if I go like this, what cup am I at this point? A D? E? It's definitely a difference. And to me, it's not as obvious. It's not too much. I ain't standing here looking like one of the Hugh Hefner girls. What them is, the Playboy bunnies. It just looks, you know, nice for my structure, does it not? I see you keep looking at them, girl. Look at me. I know they there. I know they sitting up on top of the world, honey. But we here. Sticky on both sides. I don't know if you knew that, but it was sticky on the front and in the back. And it was because you're supposed to place them inside, like a cup inside of your bra. So I put one in one side, put one in the other side, and then you push your titties up, right? And then you stick them on, you press them on. And that's supposed to help. You get what I'm saying? And then with that band right here underneath, that helps it kind of do a little extra lift. Girl. See, this is why God ain't give me no titties, because, baby, he knew that I wouldn't know how to act. That's why he skipped right on by me when he was passing out titties. Yep. Because, baby, your girl is a C cup. I don't know if I even mentioned that. And I truly feel like right now I'm giving like late D, early E. Is it even a such thing as an E? Or do we just jump on the doubles? I have no idea. I know I'm a woman, but I have no idea because I ain't never had to look over there in that side of town with the bigger chested women. I ain't never had to deal with that. I do want to say it was easy to apply and it was easy to remove. I'm not gonna lie, I was scared as hell. Last time I tried brassy bra. Was it brassy bra? But girl, it was tape. And honey, when it was time to take that off, I'm gonna link a video above so you can watch. When it was time to take that off, okay. This one, I literally just put my hand, like, press against my titty and then pull away and, like, slowly. And it just went, you know, because it's like a stickiness. So you're going to feel it a little bit, but it's nothing like getting a damn Brazilian wax. It ain't nothing like getting your eyebrows waxed. It ain't nothing like waxing wherever you be waxing at, child. It's nothing like that. That's like a tear, a rip. This was just literally just, look, just literally just pulling the two apart from one another. Nothing that was very painful. You see how my titties keep jiggling like this? That's how scared I was on the inside. You just didn't know. Like, nervous, child, shaking. If you suffering from no titty syndrome, no booby syndrome, I don't know which one is okay to say on this platform, honey. You definitely want to consider these in here. You most definitely want to consider these in here. What's another Janet Jackson song? Because at this point, baby, I got to perform with my new titties. I get so lonely. I can't let just anybody hold you all that I've been listening. Baby, I don't want no one else but you. Every time I see your face, baby. Every time I down, break it down. Gonna break it down, break it down, break it down. Oh, I heard from a friend today when she said you were in town. Suddenly the memories came back to me in my mind. Won't you stand there and then tell me you love me to leave again? 'Cause I'm in love with you again. Hold me, hold me. Don't ever let me go. Oh my God, can't believe what they saw on that turn on the TV this evening. I was just disgusted by the injustice. By the injustice. Woo! Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, yeah. Woo! Such confusion, don't it? Made me want to scream. Made me want to scream. My limousine. You try to cope with every night, nice. Somebody please have mercy, 'cause I just can't take it. Stop pressuring me. Just stop pressuring me. Just stop pressuring me. Make me want to scream. Let me call y'all back. I gotta go take a 5-minute. All right, girl, I done recuperated. I'm also looking different than the last clip. I done went and put on this real clingy dress because this is the portion of the video where I'm going to try on the shapewear pieces that I received. So this is the packaging. As you can see, it says the name of the company at Lady. Shaping Confidence starts here. It even has, wow, a machine laundry bag for you to be able to wash your shapewear in. I like that. I ain't never get that before out of all the shapewears I done tried. We got a little pamphlet here. I guess it's to how to clean, I'm assuming, because I can't see them sending instructions on how the hell to put on. Now here are the two I received. One black, one nude tone. I got them in a size extra large. It says 90% nylon, 10% spandex. Ooh, very, very scratchy. It does seem like it's very sheer, but that could mean also breathability. It doesn't matter about sheerness because we winding up under the clothes anyway. So if the stretch is there, girl, you pull it. Let's tug of war. Come on. Okay, girl, you see how far that stretch that? Wow. I'm excited to try this on now. With all that stretch, I don't know how much snatching it's going to do. But we gonna see. I have to start by saying that this has been the easiest piece of shapewear that I have ever tried on. The way it slid on like butter in a pan, honey, it was no type of problems. I ain't have to jump in it. I ain't need no help. I ain't had to lay across the chair, pull, and go to battle and war, honey. No, I ain't lose no weight trying to get it on. Literally slid on. I would say that this is more of a control wear. Keeps everything looking nice and neat and put together. You won't see many lumps and bumps. I really love the fact that this shapewear is seamless. So there's no hooks, any type of, extra security that they like to add on shapewear pieces. You can see that through your clothing, but that's not the case here. I would say that this is more for a seamless, flawless canvas, if that makes any sense. So if you want things to kind of just smooth out, no lumps and bumps, none of that type of this is the shapewear piece for you. And then I personally stopped doing shapewear hauls. If you've been here for a while, you would know I used to do them a lot because I would get them and don't ever wear them, child. Because they're so uncomfortable, right? This here, as thin as it is, sis, I would literally wear this all the time. Look how stretchy. It's not choking my thighs. It's covering the belly, high-waisted enough. It's not rolling or folding. Like, I would literally wear these out, like cycling, walking, exercising, yoga class, because it's so much like flexibility and things that you can do. I don't know if I mentioned this or not, but the shapewear shorts actually come in 6 different sizes to fit various body types. And like I said, you don't have to really size up to size down so they can snatch your soul. It definitely don't have me locked up like Akon. And honey, I can appreciate that. I can appreciate some breathable shapewear. I popped off them tags so fast because, baby, I'm going to always put these on. I even put these on around the house to clean up in. Like, that's just how comfortable they are. Now we can get into the nipple covers. Now, if you one of them ones who easily get triggered by things, if you know, you know. You be standing there looking like a deer in headlights. Okay. These are what you gonna need. If I can get in them, honey. It also shows how you can apply them on, it's called the invisible silicone nipple cover, and it's reusable. First item that I reviewed also is reusable. Look how cute the packaging is. And then it also comes with a brochure on how to. I love at Lady, you are my lady, my love. Just because they're providing instructions, and I can appreciate that. Now, for the sake of this video, I ain't gonna try them on, but I did want to show y'all how they are up close and personal. So it literally looks like flesh. And it's pretty thin, like a slice of bologna, salami, whatever type of lunch meat you like. So this also has the sticky. That is a big nipple pad. They must be low-key watching me, because how the hell they knew that my whole damn areola takes up damn near my whole titty? This will probably cover my whole areola. And you know I want to go and try it on to see. So because this dress is really thin, I'm going to go take off my push-ups, unfortunately. And I'm going to go try these on to see with no bra and see if it'll, you know, kind of remain sheer through the dress. I'm going to call you right back. Ma'am, I am presently surprised. You cannot see not 1 ounce of chocolate, nail speck of chocolate around. That's how big the nipple cover is, and it covers the nip and the areola. What? And then as you can see, I don't have on no bra, and you can't see not damn nip, no headlights turned on. Okay, Ad Lady. Ad Lady is getting me all the way together, from the lifts to the coverage to the slimming effect. Like, okay. This will be perfect for me and any other young lady that don't really care to wear bras or don't necessarily have to, or just don't want to, child. Cause if you don't want to, you ain't got to. Now this will hide the nipple rings. So if you messed around and got some nipple rings and wasn't supposed to, get you some nipple covers, child. This will cover it up. Well, boo, we done made it to the end of this haul, and you already know what I want to know. Did you feel like any of these pieces did the job? Did these products deliver? Did they do what they said they would do? If you're interested in getting your hands on something for the free, make sure you thumbs up this video, be a subscriber to the channel. Drop down in the comment section free. That's how I'm gonna know that you're interested in being entered and winning some yourself. If you made it all the way to the end of this video and you ain't interested in none of that, child, just drop this emoji. Come out them bushes. Engage with me. That's how I'm gonna know it's real. I want to thank Ad Lady so very much for sending over these items, and I want to thank you, yes, you, for taking the time out to watch my video. Until next time, later.